Hello students, happy morning. Grade 6 Science topic chapter number 10 Motion, Measurement and Distances. This is our last topic of this chapter, motion and type of motion. So let's start the first topic, that is motion. Dear students, if we look around, we observe that many objects do appear to move. They do not appear to move, means they are stationary, means they are steady. You can see, for example, house, school, roads, pole, furnitures, dining tables, mountain, trees. These all the things, they are not move, means they are stationary. Stationary means steady. These above objects, they are at rest. So what is the definition? An object is said to be at rest if it does not change its position with respect to time. Mean it does not move, right? Now here you see, in this case, the person is walking, the horse is running, right? An object, they are moving, means the objects which are moving with respect to their time. Here you see the object. The watch is moving, fan is moving. The planets are revolving round the sun. These objects are in motion. So an object is said to be in motion if it is changes its position with respect to time. Now you see the first one, left side, at rest, objects are at rest. Car is at rest. In second, car, it is in motion with respect to time. So this is the definition of motion, which is rest. If an object is said to be in motion if it is changes its position with respect to time. An object is said to be rest if it does not change its position with respect to time. Okay, next point, types of motion. Now you can see different type of motions. The first one, rectilinear motion, circular motion, periodic motion and rotational motion. Now rectilinear means straight motion. Type of motion in which objects moves along a straight line is called rectilinear motion. Say for example, object moving in a straight line, rectilinear motion. Say for example, rays of the sunlight always moves in a straight line. Okay, these are the examples of rectilinear motion. Motion of vehicles, that is car, bike, etc. on a straight road. Motion of train on a straight track. March past of soldier in a parade. Any person running on straight track road. Kids sliding down from a slide. Lift moving up and down. These all are the example of rectilinear motion. You see, this is the example of rectilinear motion. Train moves in a straight direction. March past of soldier in a parade. It is the example of rectilinear motion. Person running on a straight line. Here panda is sliding down, straight position. Here this is lift moving in a ups and down in a straight line. Second, circular motion. Types of motion in which an object moves around a circular path is called circular motion. You see here an object moves in a circular motion. Circle. Motion is in circular path. Dear students, these are the example of circular motion. The moon revolving around the earth. Earth revolving around the sun. Satellites moving around the earth. Motion of stone tied in a thread and rotated. Motion of any point on a blade of an electric fan. Motion of any point like tip of the second hand of the clock. Motion of a person sitting on merry-go-round. These all are the example of circular motion. You see, as you can see the moves. Here earth revolving round the sun, circular motion. Satellites moving around the earth, circular motion. Motion of stone tied in the thread and rotated, circular motion. Motion of blade of fan, circular motion. Second picture, pedestal fan, it also has circular motion. This is also example of circular motion. Motion of clock, circular motion. Motion of clock, second hand. Merry-go-round, motion of merry-go-round. Another motion, periodic motion. Motion in which an object part of it part of it which repeats its motion after fixed interval of time is called periodic motion. Say for example, motion of pendulum. This example of periodic motion. Here you can see the periodic motion of pendulum. It is moving on its fixed position. This is also pendulum, motion of child swing, heartbeat, bouncing ball. Here the child is swinging on its fixed position, periodic motion. Swinging. These all are the example of periodic motion. Here you see the periodic motion, another example, heartbeats. Bouncing ball. Then motion of earth rotation and revolution. Revolution of moon around the earth. These are the example of periodic motion. You see here. This is the example of periodic motion. Another motion, rotational motion. A type of motion where an object spins on its own axis. An axis passes through the object. You see. These are the example of rotational motion where the object move on its own axis. Say for example, rotation of earth on its own axis, motion of spinning of top, then rotation of windmill, turning of bicycle wheel, motion of hands of watch, and motion of ceiling fan. These all are belongs to the example of rotational motion. It is the example of rotational motion. This is the example of top, which is moving on its own axis. Top, which is moving on its own axis. This is windmill. You see the windmill moving on its own axis. Cycle, wheel moving on its own axle. Bicycle moving. Hands of clock moving on its own axis. Clock moving on its own axis. So here this chapter is over, students. So have a nice day. Next time we will learn the question answers and extra videos of this chapter. Till then, goodbye.